Hi, this is John, and in this clip we will be cutting out our ends. On my piece of stock here I have my two ends, and then I have all this other stuff in the center that I need to cut away. I'm going to start by ripping my board all the way down. That's going to give me my left to right measurement. That's correct. First I need to set my table saw to 9 1/4 inches. And tighten that down. Next we're going to make our cut, and this is going to cut both sides to the same width. After that we need to cut both of our pieces on the radial arm saw to the right length. Next I've set up the miter gauge for my bandsaw at about 70 degrees, and we'll go ahead and make our cut. If I set those pieces on top of each other after making all of my cuts, they are a perfect match.